Hey, it's Alvin, and today I'm going to talk to you about a product that I'm recommending a lot. It's Robertsons Skin Repair Ointment. So this is quite a unique but old school formulation that I've been using to treat my patients with eczema and psoriasis. So it's unique because it uses colloidal oatmeal, which many of us might be familiar with. Plus, it's also got cod liver oil as well. So cod liver oil is an old school type ingredient that we use, the same one that you take orally but formulated in a cream. And what it's got really good anti-inflammatory properties, and it's got high lipid solubility. So what that means, it rehydrates the skin and works really, really well at settling down inflammation and eczema and psoriasis. So this is something that if you haven't already tried, it's quite a unique formulation on the market. It's something that you could give a go. Give it a go, but please come in and talk to us and we can explain more to you about Robertsons Skin Repair Ointment.